Okay, we rolling? Is this thing on? um, Hi there, SK. So, I have not known Sarah as long as some of the contributors to this channel, but still long enough to have some trouble picking a favorite moment. But if pressed, I would have to say the stealthy hour spent inside of Bauer's apartment when she wasn't home, assembling her birthday radio show mixtape. And I am going to pick that because I think that it exemplifies two of Sarah's most awesome qualities. One being her creative genius, and the other, her incredible devotion to her friends. So, happy birthday, Miss Kennedy. You're the best.